So we got a message that the Trompe Tuscany mural had been vandalised, and I was kind of hoping it was only just some basic graffiti, because we've got an anti-graffiti coating on it that we can reasonably easily clean off graffiti, but we didn't know whether someone had tried to jemmy the panels off and steal them or what until we got here. But we made it here, and it's right behind me, and I'll just show you what the idiot has done. A bit of tag right across the centre of the painting. Can you believe it? What an idiot. So I'll just switch around so that I can show this a bit better. Just come right around here. Try not to get run over by a car like I did. I had to be careful when I was painting the mural. So the twat has painted the tag right across the centre of the panel, but luckily we're thinking that might be easy enough to get off, we're hoping. So I've got all the kit here, and we've got an anti-graffiti clear coating over the mural, which we always do in high-risk areas. So we're going to have a crack at getting this off while the paint's fresh, and I'll show you as we're going along what's happening. I'm feeling fairly hopeful.